Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran that likes to make drinks and I would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay key lime rum and mix it with cherry 7-Up. What you'll need is an ounce and a half of your key lime rum and top it off with cherry 7-Up. Give that a quick stir. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Donald Martin. Donald passed away on July 6, 2024 at the age of 94. He served in the Army and he called Massachusetts home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Oh, wow. Wow, that's above a 10 out of 10. Donald. Mm. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis or would like to receive help, call Mission 22 at 800-273-8255. These services are free, so call if you need any help. If you have had this drink and would like to rate it, please leave your rating in the comment below. If you would like me to dedicate an episode to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. If you like the messages behind these videos, please like, subscribe, share them. Please help me spread the message of mental health awareness. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you and have a great day. Donald. Highly recommend.